welcome back to Sew Aldo DIY. Today I am going to showcase all of my dresses that I made using a clone technique. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so because I have plenty of sewing tutorials for you that are so easy and free. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification so you won't miss out whenever I post a new one. Let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to show you all the dress that I made using a clone technique. What I meant by that is I simply trace a store-bought dress that fits me really well. The dress over here was the main pattern or template for all the dresses that you see here, including the one that I am wearing today. I found this dress from TJ Maxx maybe 2 years ago. And I love the fit of it, and I like it. It's very flattering and it fits me really well. So the brand is Sewn Monday. I think I got it for like $15, and this is a knit dress. I just love the fit of it. It's very flattering. That is why I decided to clone it, because I love it so much. But this dress has so many flaws. The neckline is so deep. As you can see, this is very deep. If I wear it without cami underneath, it's really deep, and then I'm not comfortable with it. So whenever I wear it, I have to make sure that I wear something under it so it's not super deep. The other thing is it has a side slit right here, which I need to close one of these days, but I haven't yet. I just didn't have time to do that. So anyway, this is the main dress for all of these dresses that you see here. So pretty much, if you are going to clone a garment, so for example, the fabric is knit, you have to use a knit fabric as well, because if you use a woven fabric for this, you won't be able to put it on because, you know, the dress that you're cloning is a knit fabric. So you have to match that as well. So, and the good thing about this dress is it is super easy. There are only like 7 pieces to create this dress, and there's no zipper or buttons. And it is very customizable. So this is the very first dress that I made using that technique. So right here, as you can see, the neckline, I adjusted it so it's not as deep anymore. And the sleeves, this is just like a basic short sleeve. I added flutter sleeves. So to make it more, you know, there's variation. So I don't have like the exact clone, but I just use that as my pattern. But as you can see, it's very customizable. And then the length is the same, but I did not add the slit because I don't like slit on my dresses. So that's that. And by the way, this dress and this dress that I'm wearing right now are the same. It's different fabric. So yeah, it has the same flutter sleeve. I actually really like it. This is probably my most worn dress that I have ever made. This is like my uniform. If I don't know what to wear, I always grab this one. So this is the second one. And as you can see, I added like a band right here. It looks really nice. And yeah, the same length, the same sleeve, the same neckline, but I just use basic short sleeves. So this one is very simple, and yeah, I really like wearing this around fall time. By the way, the colors of these dresses are like on the darker side because when I made them around fall time. So that's why. And then this is the third dress. I got the dress from a thrift store, but they're actually available in Joann's, but I don't know if they still have it though. And as you can see, still the same style, same neckline, but I made it like a 3/4 length sleeves. Yeah, I really like this fabric. It's actually very thick, so this is perfect for winter because of the fabric. But I'm actually getting tired of the sleeves because whenever I want to wear this, I want to layer it, but because of the massive sleeves, it's just not sitting right. It kind of bulge up right on my arms. So I'm just going to rework this by trimming it in half and make it just a basic short sleeve so I can wear it more. And this is the fourth dress. As you can see, I changed the neckline to V-necked, and and I really liked it. So this one is very easy. This used to be a long sleeve dress and I couldn't wear it because it makes me too hot, so I trim it to basic short sleeves. So that's the beauty about sewing. If you don't like the dress the first time, edit it. It's your project, so you can do whatever you want. And this is actually very pretty and flattering. I love this dress. This is also one of those dresses, like if I don't know what to wear, this is what I will gravitate to. And the last dress in the rack is this one. The neckline is still the same because I just like this neckline. It's not too deep and it's not too high, it's just right. And I added sheared sleeves. So it is super cute like the rest of the dresses. That is how I edit the pattern, is changing the necklines and the sleeves, but the rest are pretty much the same. These are all the dresses that I made using a clone technique. This is actually very easy for beginners because I mean really you're just tracing a dress. If you like the dress that you're copying, just copy it exactly as it should, and just be sure to add the right seam allowances. Okay, so that is very crucial because if you are replicating, you just have to pay attention to the details of the dress that you are cloning, like the necklines and the seam allowances. So just pay attention to those and you can pretty much create anything after that. I have tutorials for all of these dresses. I'm going to have them linked in the description box below. But with this one, I don't know if I'm going to post a tutorial on this, maybe just the neckline, because it's pretty much the same thing as this one. So it's just different fabric. I used to buy my fabrics from fabrics.com, but Amazon bought them out, so now you have to buy it from Amazon. So that's just that. But this one I got it from a local fabric store. It's like a fabric liquidation, so I got a good deal on this one. So yeah, I really like this dress and I'm very excited to wear this. It's coming spring and summer season. So anyway, if you like this video, if you are inspired, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to have you here. And if you have any questions about the dresses, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. Anyway, thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye!